Okay, so this is a really cool idea for a DIY, inexpensive standing desk. And there it is. Nothing too fancy. The wood top, I could do something nicer, but this is what I had laying around in my apartment, so I just threw it on there. I live in New York City. I could probably walk around the street at night and find a piece of wood just like that. People throw out stuff all the time, something nicer, or just go to the store and buy something really cool. But anyways, let's take a look at this. Basically, it's just a keyboard stand, the digital keyboard stand that I have down here that I used to use for my digital keyboard, which is over there now. I have a different stand for it. So I figured I'd make a standing desk real quick, and I'll put a link in the video description below. You can get these really cheap. And it is adjustable, but you can't really adjust it after you have it set up. I mean, this comes right off really easily. So you'd have to do that to adjust it, but I have it at the height that I like it. There's a couple different setups. My iPad down here, which is very nice, and then normally I have my phone here or whatever, but I'm using my phone to record. This is my old phone, and the charging dock and such. Apple Pencil, mouse, keyboard. But I also like it up here. I mean, obviously there's a million ways you can do this. You can throw it on one of these stands. I like it a little bit higher because when I'm standing, it just makes more sense because I'm more eye level with it. Like so. Then I have my mouse control here, my keyboard and such, which is still connected to my computer. So this keyboard is pretty cool too. It's a Logitech keyboard. You can control between three different devices. That's my computer, that's my iPad. So there we go. Really cool. So I'm just experimenting with it. I kind of like it because it's just a different way of working, and I get more done, more focus. Because when I'm sitting down, I tend to get lost in YouTube and start reading all kinds of stuff or whatever on the internet. But when I'm standing, it's like I feel more focused. So it's really cool. It's my first experiment with my standing desk. And then I just have like a little iPod box here, old iPod box. Some USB drives and cameras and such, and that could go on here or not. You could obviously put whatever you want on your desk. I like to try to keep it minimalistic as possible. It's kind of cluttered at the moment just because I'm trying to show you different things. But anyways, really inexpensive DIY standing desk. If you're interested in buying a standing desk, this is a good gateway. Because you might buy a really expensive desk and then not like it, and then whatever. This is a really cool way to test it out, and it's very portable. I can move it around my apartment. I just gonna have it set up here in a moment for no particular reason, just because that's where I set it up. But I do plan to move it somewhere else. Anyways, really cool. Check out some of my other videos. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.